The 2020-2024 Mazda CX-30 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Replacement is a simple DIY task, saving you money compared to dealership services, which can cost $50 to $100. Expect the battery to last 1 to 2 years. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or coin and a new CR2032 battery. Some 2023-2024 models may require a relearn process after battery replacement, achievable through the infotainment system or a dealer reset. Avoid touching the battery contacts with your fingers to prevent corrosion. Gently pry open the key fob using the screwdriver or coin at the small notch. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob by unlocking your car. For some models, reprogram by holding lock-unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds near the vehicle. The industry is moving toward rechargeable or app-based keys. Mazda's newer models feature energy harvesting fobs. By 2030, digital alternatives may replace physical fobs entirely.